Alright guys, here's part 2 of the mirror video. I know you saw part 1 and you were thinking, man, you are crazy for cutting that mirror on your truck. Long story short, I cut it for a reason. It is not for views, it is not for subscribers, it is not for any of that you think. Here's the mirror. As you can see here, this part was cracked, broken. This part, you can see it used to be chrome. The chrome was all peeling off. This part here was broken, so basically what I did is I bought mirrors, brand new mirrors, and I thought I should have a little bit of fun with the old ones. I know everybody was panicking, might have been panicking, but there was a reason. Bottom part is cracked, chrome peeling, and also that marker was broken. Let me show you the new ones. Here is the new mirror. See, no glass broken, no more chrome. This little part here is nice and blacked out. I put 2 brand new mirrors on the truck. This side, I just got to install it right now. Maybe this is gonna be one of those how-to install videos as well. So basically, I'm gonna put this mirror on. The other one I already replaced. Let me show you here. Boom. Black mirrors are up. Yes, I leave them up because I tow my trailer. I'm gonna replace this one here, and then I will show you. Okay, I'm gonna go around and show you how I installed the new mirror. As you can see, it's all nice and black. It does also flip up, and you got your smoked signal light here, and I'm pretty sure you can convert this to also daytime running light. For now, we'll put it down just to kind of make it look good. You can see it's not, none of them are cracked. And here's the inside. So what you'll have to do is pull off the door cover, which is held up by these little clips. I don't know if you can see that, but those clips are all around. So you got one here, one there, 2 at the bottom, 2 on the sides. Pull those out. It has a screw here where the door handle is, and then basically this comes off. You can see these are the wires from the old mirror. The old mirror had let me focus here. So you got 2 or 3 10mm screws there. Basically you take those off and install the mirror. So putting the last pieces of plastic, that one just snaps in. Same with this one. Should just fit in there like that. That's it. I got the door panel back up, all installed, all nice and snug. Let me take these. That's pretty much it. This this is much better than before. So I like the black, all blacked out look. Same with this side and that side. I don't know, should I put it up or down? For now, we'll put it down, just because we're not towing. But anyway, that's or by the way, this is my Ram 2500 diesel. It's a 13. Just a quick walk around here. And yes, it is the Cummins turbo diesel, Longhorn, Laramie. I like these much better than the ones before. Kind of thinking of blacking out all the chrome, so I'll probably do the bumper and the grille, and then as well as black out the door handles, and then I don't know, maybe get some rims on it. Who knows? Not sure what I'm gonna do with this truck. So that's pretty much it for this video. Sorry if I was too crazy with my truck. I pretty much would not do anything to it because I paid a lot of money for it, and right now it makes no sense to just destroy it without any reason. Hopefully you liked the video, and I don't know what other videos I'm gonna do next. If you have any ideas, leave them in the comment section below. Yeah. Till next time, peace.